Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So open your settings, scroll down, press on to wallpaper and style, press on to change wallpaper. Then you get more option, select from gallery, create with AI, graphics color, wallpaper, or if you want to get more, okay, press on get more wallpaper. Then you get theme, wallpaper icon and anything. Make sure to connect your Wi-Fi and you just select, press on download, press on apply, and you just choose from here lock screen or home screen. I'm just change only home screen, so select home screen, press on next. Okay, just press on done. So look here, now change my home screen wallpaper and my lock screen wallpaper is different. So that's it.